Hi YouTube. So on this video, this is part 2 of my first video, so subscribe to see the first part of the video, which was the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is the 1TB version. So I installed the Magic John's privacy glass in there. I haven't turned my phone on yet. So in this video I'll be putting on the Mageasy. Odyssey Ultra M. So you've got the Mageasy Ultra, which is the same case, but it's just got smaller bumps on the side to protect your phone, and there's no options to change those bumps. And in the Ultra version, Ultra M version, you can actually change those bumps on the edge, and I'll show you how that's done. So I just received this the other day. I ordered it from Amazon, and I'm also gonna put on this lens protector for the back for the phone, so I'll probably do that now. My light has gone down a bit. All right, let me just put my light on a bit more. All right, now, so let's put those lens protectors on. Okay, I've ordered it in orange, so there we go, in orange. This is just something I've ordered off Amazon, guys, so you guys can do the same. There's a cleaning kit in here or something. Just a dust sticker. And I'll quickly just use this and dust off the camera. And I don't know why my light is, probably it's getting hot. Okay, let me just do another round. There you go. Now the lens is protected. So that's that. So that's protected. Now I am gonna open this up for you guys. I don't think I need a knife to cut that. Now let's open this up. So you get a harness to hook it onto this, and this is the Mageasy Odyssey Ultra M. Ooh. So that is the case. That is the actual case, and you've got the you can, use it as a stand or whatnot. So this is what I was talking about, guys. See that? That can be changed. Okay, that can be changed. So the Ultra M has bigger ones and changeable ones. So they're all in here. So you can see them all in here. See, there you go. See? You can change the corners. So let me just get them out. Put the box aside. So you can change these corners. As you can see, you can change them. So you can have it just as a plain bump on the corner, or you can have ones with those slots in the middle. You can change it to one which you can have on the side with a lanyard type look, or you can just have these ones and just hook up a belt to it. but let's just try fitting it on first. So in case you guys want to buy this one, it's the Odyssey Ultra M. I'm not sure if it's focusing. There you go, there's the focus now. Odyssey Ultra M. Remember, there's an Ultra, but the M one, no sorry, there's an Odyssey M, but the Ultra one is the one which have these extra features in there, and it's got a 25 feet drop test, 6 meters, okay, for the iPhone Pro Max. So let's put it on. Okay, so far looks like a perfect fit. There you go, perfect fit. Perfect fit. So do you see if it falls? Do you see how much distance there is? Sorry, there you go. How much distance there is from it falling? Okay, there's a big gap, and even on the sides there's a big gap. Okay, that if it falls on any side, you'll have that. Now obviously on the back, you know, it's got a bit of a ridge here, if you can see that, where it comes above the actual camera lens, so that is fine. But you know, you got to protect it yourself also. So the front doesn't have too much of a ridge, but then you got to protect it with you know, your own choice of a screen protector. I choose Magic John's because I have tested it myself, where you try to break the glass with an axe or something, it just doesn't break, or with a knife or a chopper or something, it just doesn't break. So I you know, that's why I choose the Magic John's one. But otherwise you can put a screen protector so it falls flat like this on the ground. At least you got something to protect it, but otherwise this is fine. Now I have ordered the small rig Pro Max case for this, the cage, the Pro Max small rig cage. If you want to see that video, I'll be getting that towards the end of the month, and I will put it on this to see how it looks, and if that's a better choice, then I'll probably just probably use that. Subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, and hit the notification button. And there it is. And this strap, let's just see what this strap is. Hang on, let me just give that a cut. Now let's see what that strap is. So, oh, it's a fairly solid strap. So you can, oh, they've got stickers and stuff everywhere on this for shipping. There we go. So it kind of, you know, it hooks onto that. You can have one there, and you can have another one here. These are just quality stuff, guys. This is very quality. Now I'm not sure what country this is all made in, and you know, but it's fairly quality. It's very quality, like it's very solid. You can hang this around you, around your neck. You can extend it. I think it gets even larger. You can extend it also. Okay, so I think it's worth every penny. If you're the type of person who's gonna, you know, hang it around your shoulder or your neck, you know, you go outdoors a lot, then you would definitely want to buy this type of phone. You can hang other things off it also, you know, but this is fairly solid. Fairly solid. I think if you're going to spend about anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 on your iPhone, depending on what model you're getting, you know, well, anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000, and depending what country you're in. If you're getting the top of the range, you'll probably end up paying $4,000 in some countries, or you know, or $3,000. But you know, for something like that, I'd say you'd have to get a case like this, and a case like this can set you back something like $150. You know, 150, you know, US, or a little bit more for other countries. Could be more or less, but it's well worth it. And this strap is really well worth it. I'm not sure all these other things that they've got on this strap. They've got these little you know, tiny hooks and areas where you can put other things in, like probably a pen or something. I'm not sure. This is a, I'm not sure what this is. It's some sort of like a magnetic belt to, oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. That's how it comes off. It clips off like this sideways. Oh, it's got a magnet. It has literally got a magnet. Can you hear the sound? The magnet holds it together. Okay. And anyway, this has got MagSafe also. So it's got a stand. I like this one. It's got a stand because the small rig cage I had bought for my 15 Pro Max didn't have a stand. But I love that cage. But when that comes this month, then I'll put on a video for that. But otherwise, this is great, guys. If you like the video and the video helped you out in some way, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It'll help the channel out. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in the next video.